Well, this is the front driver's side hub off of a Can-Am side-by-side, and I've just frozen the new bearing and getting ready to press it in here and see how she fits. So try to get this where you can see most of it. Looks like it's going in somewhat straight. Yeah, looks like it might work. These up on here. Put this on this little press point up on there. Jack down the 6-ton hand press, which when that bearing comes out, it sounds like you break the hub, but there's a lot of force pushing it through. The tricky part of getting it back in is getting it started straight. And that's why I put it in the freezer, because it's hard to get it started unless you can get it in just a little ways. And let's see what we got here. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, it's going in. So you can hear the jack going down. I'm talking to this camera, Roger. I'm talking to the camera. Okay, I think I bottomed out the jack.
Put something else on top of that. Don't take it off.
No, we gotta put something underneath of it. So there it is, pressed in most of the way, and we will finish it off. Over and out.